Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can upgrade your dresses using hats and Dress to Impress for free. So almost all of the items I used are free. One of them, you do need a currency item, but that's that's free. Okay, you don't need Robux for that. You do need the pink currency, which you are able to find, and you don't have to use it if you do not want to. So let's start with the first dress. I'm just going to remove everything. So the first dress, we are going to be using the Eternal Sunshine one, which was, I don't remember where you got it from, but it's the Eternal ball gown. Actually, I don't know why it says sunshine. Color it to whatever color you want. I'm just going to color it in black and glitter for all of it. And then you are going to also need this hat from the Halloween collection. Color it black. For this one, you're going to position the X to 0.54, the Y to 0.36. We're going to then rotate the Y to 65 and the Z to 73. Then we're going to scale it down just a little bit to 0.37. And we are going to also, don't mind the back, please. We're going to also get, oh my gosh, every time I try to get gloves, I click on that dress. Gloves in no fur in black and glitter. This is the first look of the day. Super cool. The second look is you are going to get the cowboy hat over here and color it black and glitter for both. And then we're going to position the Y to 0.36. The Z to 0.51. We're going to rotate the X to 0.76. And we're going to scale it down to 0.43. Like so. Okay, that is the second one. You can take out the gloves. You can do whatever. Last one, we're going to take off this dress actually, and we're going to use this dress from Codes. The fashion dress. Like that. And then we're also going to get this currency item, which if you don't have, you can not use it. You can just use the dress that we had on before. The Withered rose dress in only skirt, no layer toggle in black and glitter. And then we're going to use this hat, this one over here, in glitter for both. And then for the adjustments, we're going to do X at 0.52, Y at 0.35, Z at 0.54. We're going to rotate the X to 0.51, the Y to 0.62, the Z to 0.27, and we're going to scale it a little bit down to 0.42. You can kind of adjust this a little bit more if you want, maybe make it further to the front. But yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!